Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Homepod already set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network and your PC on that same network. Next, install iTunes for Windows or a dedicated AirPlay sender like AirParrot or TuneBlade so your PC can broadcast. Make sure Bonjour service is running. Windows often installs it with iTunes. Finally, temporarily disable strict firewall rules or add exceptions so AirPlay discovery can work. This clears the path to stream audio. Once done, open iTunes or your AirPlay sender and play the track you want to stream. In iTunes, click the AirPlay icon next to the volume control, then choose your Homepod. The sender app follows the same pattern. If you want all PC audio routed, use AirParrot or TuneBlade to select Homepod as the output device. This mirrors system sound. Make sure volume on both PC and Homepod is up. Then test with a short clip and listen for a brief buffering delay as devices negotiate the stream. To finish, fine-tune volume on both devices and confirm Homepod appears as the active output. If you have two Homepods, consider setting them as a stereo pair in the Home app for improved stereo imaging. When done, switch the PC output back to speakers. If the Homepod doesn't show up, restart the Homepod and your PC, verify both are on the same SSID, and ensure Bonjour is running and firewall ports for AirPlay aren't blocked. This single restart plus network check solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.